Training fails when it's generic. Change fails when people feel unprepared. And projects fail when expectations exceed capability. Today, I want to talk about the training needs analysis and why it's one of the most practical tools change in project management should be using. Now, I'll quickly show you what it is, then explain how I use it in practice. What you're looking at here is a simple training needs analysis. The important thing to notice is this. It's not a list of courses, it's a view of required capabilities, current capability, target capability, and the gap between them. That gap is where delivery risk usually sits. A training needs analysis makes that visible. Instead of asking what training should we run, you ask what are expectations higher than capability. Once you can see that, training becomes deliberate, not reactive. So why does this matter? Well, in change and project environments, expectations shift quickly. There's new systems, new processes, new behaviors. People are often asked to operate differently, sometimes at a higher level, while adapting to something unfamiliar. Without a training needs analysis, training is assumed, gaps surface late, and resistance increases, not because people are unwilling, but because they feel exposed. A training needs analysis allows leaders to manage people-related risk with the same discipline they apply to cost, scope, and schedule. So how do I use it? Well, I don't treat the training needs analysis as a HR exercise. I use it as a delivery alignment tool. I anchor it to simple questions. What is changing? What is expected of people as a result? And where could capability gaps put delivery at risk? The goal isn't perfection, it's sufficiency for delivery. That keeps it practical, targeted, and aligned to real outcomes. One mistake I see regularly is confusing communication with capability. A message goes out, a deck is shared, and people are expected to perform differently, but awareness is not the same as competence. Someone can understand what's changing and still lack the confidence or skill to operate effectively. When that distinction isn't made, resistance gets misdiagnosed, but often it's simply unaddressed capability risk. So to close, people don't resist change. They risk feeling unprepared. The training needs analysis gives leaders a simple, structured way to close that gap early. So change and projects don't just launch, they actually stick. Thank you very much for listening.